Hi, if you like this makeup look, then keep on watching. I start off by moisturizing my face with the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Next, I fill in my brows using these two shades from the Maybelline Nudes palette. I make sure to distribute the color as evenly as possible. To define my brows even more, I take this eyeshadow base from NYX and apply it closely to my brows. Doing this step makes your eyebrows stand out even more and gives them a good definition. I'm making sure that I'm blending the product nicely. Now I'm taking the same product and covering my eyelids with it because doing this helps in bringing out the color of your eyeshadow. I start off by taking these two shades of orange and place them on the outer lid, bringing them inwards. Next, I take a lighter shade and put it on my crease to blend the color. I place this copper eyeshadow on the center of my lid to brighten it. I do this step on both my eyes and then jump on to doing my base. Using a concealer, I cover my under eye dark circles and any other pigmentation that I have on my face. Now using my sponge, I blend the concealer well. I'm applying these glow drops from L'Oreal all over my face before I apply my foundation because it will help in gliding my foundation and also give me a dewy finish to my base. I put my foundation on and with the help of a flat foundation brush, I first spread the foundation and then take my sponge and blend the product in. I take some loose powder and put it all across my face to set my base. Next, I contour my face, but not too heavily. After contouring, I apply this blush from Bobbi Brown. Now taking these glow drops from L'Oreal, I apply them on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my forehead. I blend the product in with my fingers. You can see that this has given me a very dewy and a natural glow to my skin. Taking a black kajal pencil, I'm giving a bit of definition to my eyes. And to intensify the color even more, I apply a very thin line of eyeliner and wing it to give a nice shape to my eyes. Now taking this slightly tapered brush, I'm applying some eyeshadow under my eyes to define them. Next, I apply this prick highlighter to intensify my highlight a tad bit more. I apply my mascara. I apply this red lipstick and take off the excess by blotting my lips. Now I apply some loose powder to my lips to mattify my lipstick, and then just dab some lipstick on to give my lips a bit of color. And your look is ready. I've played with a bit of burnt orange in this look. This look is quite glowy and dewy, not too heavy. You can do this kind of a makeup for an evening function or a get-together. You can even wear this kind of a look for a festival. Try this look and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comments section below. I shall be back with another video. You guys take care and stay healthy. Bye.